Hey everyone, my project name is Competitive Exam Data for the college SGS ITS. So, today I will walk you through my project where I am integrating data from Excel files and processing PDF uploads for a competitive exam data management system. So, basically, this project allows users to view, filter, and even update exam data dynamically on a website. So, So basically, it will provide a web interface to display, filter, and search for the students' computer exam results, and it will automatically extract data from the PDF and append it to the Excel dataset. So it will reduce the manual work and errors too, and it has interactive filters which can filter the data according to their exam branch and batch to analyze trends or look at specific records, and it has a clear mechanism to update the dataset dynamically, as it allows the user to update PDF directly through the platform. Okay, so the objective of this project is to extract and upload competitive exam data from Excel files or PDF, and it creates a web-based interface for data visualization and filtering. It enables dynamic data updates and PDF uploads, and it also allows users to filter data by specific parameters like exam type, branch, and batch. So, technology stack that I have used in this project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and libraries which has enabled me to create this project are XLSX. So, it is the library which extracts the data from the Excel sheets and displays it in the browser. And I also have PDF.js, which has the functionality to extract data from the PDFs. Yeah. So basically, we are extracting data from the PDFs and appending that data into the Excel files. Okay, so basically, what we have done that I have a sheet called Sheet 1. So it has data like Himanshu Singh. So he has appeared for the GATE exam and secured All India Rank 10 in the BME branch, and many such students' names are displayed here. So we will be extracting data from this Excel sheet. So here this is my website. So if I refresh my website, then I can see the students which were appearing in the sheet 1 are appearing in 2. So the data from the Excel sheet here is converted into the HTML table, and if I select the exam, that is GATE, then all the students who have appeared for the GATE and secured some rank are appeared here. And if I apply the branch filter, then if I apply CSE filter, then I can see all the students with CSE branch who have appeared. And if I select batch, then 2024 suppose. So Abhijit Chauhan, who has secured All India rank 57 in GATE CSE 2024, is being appeared here. So nextly, now we have uploaded the Excel file to the website, and now what we will do is that we will upload the PDF, and the data will be extracted from the PDF, and then it will get appended to the Excel file directly. So if I click upload GATE result PDF here, and I will be choosing a file. So suppose here I am choosing result card of Mr. Aditya. Yeah. So if I open it and extract data, then a file will be downloaded here, and it is an Excel file. So if I open here, then all the data from the Aditya Goel's result card would be appended here. So it will be taking some 1 or 2 minutes to open, and voila, here we can see that his roll number, his branch, his name, his all his marks, and his father's name all has been appeared here properly. So we will now walk through my code of the project. So here I have script.js, styles.css for providing styling, index.html for the HTML of the front page, and upload.html for the HTML of the upload GATE result. So if we go through the script.js part, then first if we see index.html, then I have used this library from this website cdn.js. Here we can find any library which is useful for Excel and PDF. So if I go through script.js, then it is loading data from the Excel file, that is sheet1.xlsx, which was this. So what it will do, that it will load initial data and then it will insert into the table, and then I have made a function filter rows which will apply to filtering to the rows. Now proceeding further, there is a function which is useful for processing the PDF, so it will upload and extract data from the PDF. Okay, so and what it will do, that it will extract data from the PDF file and append data to the Excel sheet. So here we are running the loop, so loop through each page and then text will be extracted from here. And this extracted data will be appending to the existing Excel sheet, that is completed exam data, and this sheet will get downloaded. So here is my project, and main functionality that we are using here is file upload and Excel parsing. Then we will be doing data processing and display, and lastly we will be filtering data through the JavaScript. So thank you very much.